Will Keith Deltano's virtual shows be as engaging and impactful as his live shows?
Are you ready to rumble? Hey, hello? You guys in there? Are you ready to go now?
Yes. Keith has separate grade-level appropriate assemblies that address bullying, cyberbullying, drug and alcohol avoidance, suicide prevention, and coping strategies for the stress the pandemic is causing.
We live in a culture that's obsessed with race, ethnicity, clothing, color of skin, man, all this, and we're obsessed with the way people appear. You will look at people, boom, and judge them as soon as you see them. Admit it, some of you did it with me. You did it with me, you did. As soon as you saw me, you're like, oh, this guy's not gonna relate to me. Just because of the way I look. Look, we're obsessed with the labels. The labels, what are those? And all this stuff about the labels and the brands. You've got to have a Schmiedis and Hollister Smollister and Underarm. Let me tell you something. Your value doesn't come from the way you appear to me. My value doesn't come from the way I appear to you. My value comes from who I love, who loves me, my uniqueness, my relationships, my characteristics, what makes me me. Let me break it down a little bit further for you, baby. I'm a Walmart shopper, and I'm proud.
Keith uses a call and response approach with younger students.
I'll be friends with everybody. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey, you in the back, you got to do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. You did it!
With middle and high school students, Keith takes on more challenging topics.
Let me tell you something. Verbal drama, racist comments, right drama, ongoing verbal campaigns to hurt. It hurts. It hurts people. When it comes to cyberbullying, you need to understand cyberbullying is prosecutable. It's prosecutable. Fancy word, you get busted. Every state in the nation has passed what's called a HIB law, H-I-B, harassment, intimidation, and bullying. Cyberbullying is cowardly, it's spineless, it's gutless, it shows a complete lack of character, and it needs to stop. Stop using technology to hurt and damage people. It's time for the online drama to stop. So there's a direct relationship between social media addiction and obsession and depression. The CDC, Center for Disease Control, says this: 20% of you, 1 out of 5 of you, will have self-harming thoughts. So that means that someone listening to me now, right now, is dealing with this. And I got a message directly from me to you, because I've dealt and still deal with this stuff, and we'll talk about this. Here is my message to you. Please get some help. We love you. We care about you. We want to hear from you. I got some help. I'm here today because of it. Here's a strategy we're going to talk about. Replace what you've lost with something else. So you've lost football, you've lost your groups, you've lost your interaction, you've lost your teams, your structure, going to school, but you can't just lie around thinking about that because it will make you more depressed. You've got to replace it with something else, some other activity, some other goal, some other dream, some other vision. Because the more drugs, alcohol, whatever you're doing, the worse your reality gets, and then you have to do more to escape the reality you made worse. Things will get worse. You'll be high and stoned. It'll be fun. But then things will get worse. They'll get worse. Reach out to people. Love one another. Take care of each other. Lift each other up. At least stop hurting each other. Love each other, man. You guys can do this. We're not, adults not doing a good job modeling this for you. You can do this. Love each other. Take care of each other. Thanks so much, man.
Keith can adapt his shows to different grade levels and demographics. A question and answer session can be included, and teacher and parent workshops are also available. Each school will receive a 1-year subscription to Keith's video curriculum. This curriculum will allow schools to stream short video lessons school-wide, at the classroom level, or to students' individual devices, perfect for distance learning. Host a virtual assembly with an award-winning teacher that has taught at all grade levels, created a video curriculum, and served students, teachers, and parents for over 30 years. Keith is very serious about what he does. No, really.
That's a keeper.